In the vast jungle, few sounds reach the sound of a young adult male trumpet player.
Hidden among the shadows, a strange bird introduces itself.
The sound up through the trees. Loud, shrill, undeniable. Here comes the trumpeter, guardian of the forest floor. Its call is a warning and a declaration. Never alone, they move as a vigilante group. Eyes and ears are sensitive to danger. In a world where predators lurk unseen.
Led by the strongest, they retreat together.
But their calls aren't just alarms. They're also displays.
A show for an audience of one.
Together, they guard their forest path.
On the forest floor, a hidden nursery.
Here, life waits in silence.
His voice protects the vulnerable. Even the rain couldn't silence them. Power in the voice, power in the soul. When alarm calls, they guard the forest floor.
The Amazonian trumpeter, Sophia crepitans, carefully extracts the nutritious flesh of the fallen fruit.
But danger always returns.
Once again, their cry saved lives.
Young voices are being trained to one day guard the forest.
With delicate precision, the mother delivers a crucial morsel of food, satisfying the insistent calls of her hungry offspring.